Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about magic car withdrawal. How can one withdraw from this online gaming platform known as Magic Car? That is the question I received, and what are the payout method. In this video tutorial, I will show you guys step by step and walk you through how to place your withdrawal correctly, and also explain the withdrawing conditions and the rest of them in this very video. Okay, all you need to do is to calm down and watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video you are going to learn how to place your withdrawal correctly from this platform known as Magic Car. Okay, but before I proceed with this video, guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I know, this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas, money making update on this my channel on daily basis. For you not to miss out any of my latest update, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on the screen and then turn on the notification bell so that to be notified whenever I release new videos like this. Okay, then at the end of this video, I'll be leaving my Telegram group link in the comment section of this video. If you're not in of my WhatsApp group or Telegram group, I'll be leaving my Telegram group link in the comment section of this video. What I do there, I share business tips, money making ideas, money making updates on daily basis on my Telegram group. So if you are not there, you can also join us there for daily updates. Okay, I'll be leaving the link in the comment section of this video. Okay, but before I proceed with this video, I will love to lay a clear disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and informational purpose only, and not a financial advice. This video does not guarantee you any result, as the result may vary based on how you use Magic Car platform. I am always advising my viewers to make research before using any platform, so therefore you are advised to make your own personal research before using Magic Car platform. Okay, this is my total disclaimer. This video does not guarantee you any result. Please do take note of that. Before I proceed to show you guys how to withdraw, I will briefly talk about what this platform is basically all about, for the purpose of, or for the sake of those hearing about Magic Car for the first time. What is Magic Car all about? Magic Car is a video gaming platform where one can either play game for the purpose of entertaining yourself or for the purpose of getting reward. So that is what this platform is all about. It is a multi-purpose platform. So like I said, it is a video gaming platform. So let me play the game and show you. So I'll click on start. So I will play this game now. I'm playing game now. Before I proceed to show you the steps, so this is car game now. All right, I just fade. Okay, so I will just exit. So I will exit. So that's it. So that's a car game. You play this game. When you are playing this game, you can decide to accumulate coins, and then those coins you are accumulating, you can decide to withdraw it to paper cash. But it's not all about placing withdrawal. Is it legit or scam? Is it real or fake? These are the questions we should ask ourselves before thinking of using it for reward purposes. Okay, so I will also share briefly my own experiences with this platform before I proceed. Okay, so now, as you know that this platform is a dual purpose platform, you can use it for entertainment, you can use it for fun purposes, you can use it for reward purposes. Now, if you are using it for reward purposes, this is how to place your withdrawal. Now, when you look at your dashboard, you can see we have two balances here. We have the green note balance and we have the coin balance. So I will explain them one after the other. Now, this coin balance, I will start with coin balance. We have two balances here. This is for invitation, and then this is for playing the games. So this coin is accumulated when you have played the game or you complete daily task, which can be converted to paper cash. So now, this one now does not have requirement. Take note. So if you are placing withdrawal on this coin, it does not have requirement. So the only payout method is only PayPal. Please take note, this is through PayPal. Now you can see the option of payment method. You click on it, then you add your PayPal details and then click on confirm. So after that is done, you can now click on withdrawal. So once you click on withdrawal, it's automatically withdrawn. So how long does payment take to reflect, or how long does it take for you to be credited? It takes 3 minutes to 24 hours to land. So that's it. Now I have explained the coin balance. The coin balance does not have any requirement for withdrawing. So the moment you have $1, you can place withdrawal. So that's the minimum. Now talking about the green note balance, this green note here, this green note has requirement. Please take note. For you to be able to withdraw here, you must either need to invite or get certificate. So that certificate can be gotten during when you are doing daily mission. So if you are using it for reward purposes, then it is only when you participate in daily task, daily mission, that is only when you can obtain the certificate. And then those certificate, it is what we use to jump checkpoint. So now let's say I want to place withdrawal from this platform. So I will select the option of $20. Already I have added my PayPal account, so you'll be needing to add yours when you are withdrawing. Please take note, this is tutorial video and this is how to place your withdrawal correctly from this platform. So you can see the option of withdraw. So when you select the amount, then you can click on withdraw. Then it will say please confirm. Click on yes, confirm. Then you can see the option withdrawal has been accepted, do things sufficient flex, and then the rest of them. So you click on understand. Now this is what I am talking about. You can now see we are now on the checkpoint. Now, the moment you have certificate, these certificates can be gotten when you perform daily task. And then once you have one here, you can see I have 1/0 here. So once you have one, you can click on the option of gate. You can click on the option of gate. Then when you invite 3 people, you can also click on the option of gate. So once you click on the option of gate, then once you have completed it, then the main withdrawing portal option will be open for you. Then you will now see the option of withdraw. Then you will now click on withdraw. So you are going to see another withdraw option. So now here you are restricted because the condition is not yet made or is not yet fulfilled. So the moment it's fulfilled, then you can now click on the main withdrawal, which you will see. The first withdrawal you click is just to bring you to the condition which you need to fulfill before the main portal will be open for you. So that is it. So once the main portal is open for you, you can then withdraw it. And then you can decide that you don't want to continue with the withdrawing. You can still click on terminate check and then terminate your withdrawal. So that's the requirement for withdrawing on this platform. So if you are participating or you are a user of card game platform, magic card game platform, and you don't know how to place your withdrawal, so these are the requirements and this is how to place withdrawal correctly on this platform. Now talking about the legitimacy, is it legit or scam? That is the question. Well, as the time I was making this video, no one has reportedly been scammed by this platform, and for that reason we cannot say that this platform is a scam. So another thing you need to understand is that this platform, this is a basically a dual-purpose platform. It is either for entertainment or for purposes. So it depends on the purpose you are using it. Okay, so this platform does not ask people for investment. This platform does not ask people to deposit. So there is nothing that will make us say that it is a scam. So that's it. So no one has reportedly been scammed, and for that reason we cannot call this platform or tag this platform a scam. So is it legit or scam? That is the question. From my own personal experiences with the platform, as the time I was making this video, it has been confirmed legit and currently paying. And however, does not mean that we continue to pay like that forever. So you are advised to make your own research before using any platform. So this video is based on my own personal experiences with the Magic Car platform. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Have you been playing this game and what are your own experiences? You can also share it in the comment section of this video. Thank you and may God bless you as you share this video. Remain blessed.